how to install n8n locally on your computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install this n8n instance on your laptop or in your local machine. So there are mainly two ways you can do that. First is using node.js and the second one is using Docker. So I will show you both ways how you can download using node.js, and then I will show you how you can use as a Docker as a container, or you can say we will be using a Docker's container to run our n8n instance. First, you will need the node.js. I will show you how you can download that, and then you need a Docker application. So in order to get Docker application, you have to just simply type Docker and go to your first link. And from here, you have to download the Docker for your Windows or Mac. So choose your operating system and download according to that. So I'm using Windows, so I will just simply click on this Windows. And when I click on it, as you can see in the top right corner, you will see the Docker desktop is installing. I have already downloaded this Docker desktop, and I usually use anything into my Docker, so I don't need to download Docker again. So first, let me show you how you can download this node.js into your computer. So come to node.js website, just simply search this and click on this first link, and it will take you to this page where you have to just simply click on this get node.js, and from here you have to choose get the version and the operating system, and if you want to use nvm or docker, whatever, or you can use npm as well. So after that, you have to just simply click on this Windows installer, and after clicking on it, after downloading, what you need to do is just simply click on this downloaded or installed node.js and click on next. As you can see, I have already installed this node into my system, so I don't need to install it again. As you can see, change, repair or remove installation. So select the operation you which performed. So it means the node.js is installed my computer, so I will just simply cancel this. Now after downloading, what you need to do is just go to your start, and from there you have to search for terminal, and in the terminal we will install our n8n instance. Now, so I have provided this short Google Docs where I have entered the commands like npm install n8n/js. Just simply type that into a terminal and then hit enter. It will start checking whether the n8n instance is installed on your computer or not. So I will get back after the running process is over. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully installed our n8n instance on our laptop. Now, after that, what you have to do is just simply type n8n start into your bottom, and then it will start processing it. Now, after that, at the end of this command, you will get your URL, which is localhost 5678. So what you need to do is just simply copy this, and you have to open into your browser. Let me show you. Now, what you need to do is enter your email, first name, last name, and password, and then you have to just simply click on the next. Now, this is the part of how you can download with the node.js. Now, I will show you how you can download with the Docker. So we can proceed later on, and I will show you how you can get premium features for free using the license key. So let's get started with the Docker. So I have already downloaded Docker, and I am assuming that you have downloaded Docker. So if you haven't downloaded Docker, just go to Docker's website and download it from here. Now open your Docker. As you can see here, I have already opened my Docker. So this is in the left side, you will see there is a navigation bar, and this is a container where you can host your n8n. Now, first thing what you need to do is you have to fetch the n8n. So in the images section, you have to go to search and search for n8n, and from here you will see there is a page, loading page, and from here in the tags you will see there are different version of n8n. You can select which you want. As you can see, I have this version. Let me show you this. This is that version which I use. Now let's say if you want to use this one, so you have to select the version of the n8n. So you make sure you have chosen the latest version, and after that what you need to do is just simply click on the pull. So it will start pulling. So as you can see, this is a process bar where you can see how much your n8n instance is installed on your computer, or sorry, you can say in the dock. Now wait for a few seconds. While this is the n8n installing, we have to create a folder for n8n, because whatever you save in your n8n, so it will store over here. So I will show you n8n data for tutorial. So this is folder which I have created. Make sure you have created your folder and wait for more few seconds to install this. So I have successfully installed my image into our Docker. So when you see this, the version of the n8n, so this is the version. Now let's move and we will configure that too. Now open search n8n again. Now, as you can see, this is my version. So I will select from here and click on the run from here, and from here it will open something like this. From here you can configure your optional setting. Just open this, and from here you have to give your container name. In my case, I'll give n8n tutorial. This is my n8n name, and then you have to enter the port name, which is 5678, and then you have to give the host path. It means you have to give the folder path which you have created. So it is basically, it will store the data of your n8n in that folder. So make sure, let me just get back and search for n8n and n8n for tutorial, and then click on the select button. Now after that, you have to give a container path, which is /home and /node and /n8n. And after that, you have to just simply click on the run button, wait for a few seconds. Okay, there we go. There is an issue. Sometimes it give you something like this error. It means the port is not available. So you have to just stop the earlier n8n which we have created. Let me just, now I have successfully stopped the node.js n8n. So let me get back to my container, and from here you have to just select it again, which is this one, and from here you have to click on it. So after entering all of this, you have to make sure you have to click on the run. So I have already added my container over here. I will just simply take an action of start, click on the start button, and as you can see, it will start running. When you open this, as you can see in the logs, wait for a few seconds to install all of the necessary things. As you can see, it start running, start downloading all of the necessary things which we need to run the n8n. So the data table, okay, this is a new feature in n8n, just came. So now what I will do, I'll just simply copy this localhost link, or you can just simply tap on that link and you will be redirected to your n8n instance. So I have to enter the email address, add this, okay, last name John, and the password will be this one. And then you have to just simply click on the next button. Now, okay, it started. So as you can see, this is one of the most important steps for getting a paid feature for free forever. So you have to just enter your email and click on the send me for free a license key. So as you can see, the license key is sent. So I will open my Gmail. So email in the Gmail. Okay, as you can see here, we got the license key email, and just simply click on this active key button, and it will take you to this page where you can just simply activate your license key. So yeah, this is how you can activate the key, and that's it. This is how you can install your n8n workflow on your laptop, or you can say on your laptop Docker's container. I prefer to use the Docker because it's very convenient and it's easy. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. If you get any kind of question, just comment it down below. I will try to give the reply. Thanks for watching.